palm together, front of the chest, feet together. Inhale, lift the right leg up and turn to the right side. Perfect. Turn your left foot in, right foot out. We're going to do the warrior two. So bring the left leg more back, but remember the back leg, toes in and heels out or either neutral position. Pelvic and torso facing forward towards the camera. Mr. You are front of the wall. Perfect. Now from here, grab the hip joints. Perfect. Now make sure your torso. Now bringing the both palm beside the armpit, the thumb in and lifting the sternum up, chest up, facing forward towards the camera. Make sure your armpit and hip joints, your torso will be in one line. Now from here, slowly cut your right leg or bend 90 degrees. Very good. Stay there and raise your both arms up in line with the shoulder. Yes. Very good, Elizabeth. A little bit more down, bend a little bit more forward. Yes, perfect. Back of the foot. The outer skin of the back of the foot fully touching the ground, but make sure, Elizabeth, your left leg externally rotate. 2. Your left leg should be rotated externally. 3. 4. And 5. And now from here, pressing the left palm on your thighs, make a cup shape fingertip, and now walking with your finger towards the ankle side, turning the right palm and turning the neck, looking to the palm. Try to sit more. When you sit more, you can feel the more stretch here. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And keep walking. Same, make a cup shape fingertips. Keep walking, keep walking, and drop the right elbow on your right knee. Choose Dhyan Mudra and raise your left arm up over there. Still, the back of the foot, outer skin touching the ground. Sit more. Very good. 90-degree angle. Make sure, if can possible, if you don't have problem with your knees, your knee, the pelvic will be in one line. Not up here. Try to bring more down if possible. 2. Very good. For the deep stretch. 3. Very good. 4. And 5. Perfect. Stay there. Stay there. And bringing the right hand forward. Looking towards the right palm this time. Very good. 1. Open the pelvic. 2. Very good. Very good, Elizabeth. Try to sit more on your front leg. 3. Yes. Very good. Perfect. 2 more. And then 4. And 5. Perfect. Now inhale back to the center. Grab your hip joints. Perfect. And switch your leg. Now right foot in and left foot out. Perfect. Torso forward. Facing to the camera, facing to the wall. Depends. Yes. Very good, mister. Pelvic facing towards the camera now. Here. Back foot, toes in, heels out, or either neutral position. Elizabeth, use the line on your yoga mat. Yes. And now, same. Keep the hands here on your hip joints first. And now slowly bring the hands up. Thumb in and try to lift the sternum. Keep the torso, pelvic as it is. Slowly sit on your first leg, but not moving. The torso will be in the center, not moving. Then you can rolling the back leg thigh externally out. Yes, both legs actually. So now keep here and sit more and raise your both arms up. And looking towards the left hand index finger. 1. Right leg action rotate, Elizabeth, Miss Cham. 2. Miss Cham, bring your back leg a little bit more back. 3. Your right foot more back. Yes, and sit more. See, bring the knees and ankle. Bring this left leg a little bit back, Miss Cham. Left leg a little bit back. Yes, and now sit. Yes, 90 degrees. See, make an angle. That's important. The angle is more important. 4. and 5. Now bring the right palm on your right thigh, make a cup shape fingertips, walking with your finger, turn the left palm, turn the neck, and look towards the palm. Very good. Sit more as much as you can. 1. Very good. Very good. 2. 3. Mr. Your husband doing very well, huh? 4 and 5. And now inhale back to the center and dropping the left elbow on your left knee. Choose a Gyan Mudra. Thumb and index finger are each other, touching each other. And now raising the right arm up. Turn the neck, look up and sit more. Sit more. The pelvic not up, more thumb. Yes, stay there. 1. Very good. 2. 3. 4 and 5. And now release the left arm. Looking to the left palm. Stay there. 1. Very good. 2. 3. 4 and 5. Perfect. Inhale back to the center. Grab the hip joints. Keep bending your left leg. And now bring the right leg